Your online portfolio is your digital business card. Whether you're a performer, composer, or producer, having a well-organized portfolio makes it easy for people to find your work and hire you. Let's explore how to create one. An online music portfolio is a digital space where you can showcase your best work. It includes samples of your music, videos, a biography, and your contact information. The goal of an online portfolio is to attract opportunities, establish credibility, and make it easy for potential clients, collaborators, or employers to reach out to you. A strong online portfolio can help musicians secure gigs, licensing deals, commissions, and collaborations. It's a way to present yourself professionally to the music industry and showcase what you do best. To build a compelling online music portfolio, start with the essential components. Your bio page should include a brief professional summary that outlines your experience, your musical style, and any notable achievements. Be sure to include music and video samples, whether they're performances, original compositions, or productions. Your resume and a list of your achievements, such as key performances or collaborations, should be included as well. Press clippings and testimonials from other musicians, industry professionals, or your audience will also add credibility. Lastly, don't forget to include contact and booking information, making it easy for people to reach out for potential gigs or collaborations. When choosing the right platform for your portfolio, consider using website builders like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress if you want full customization. For music-specific platforms, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, BeatStars, and YouTube are great options for showcasing your work. You can also integrate your social media accounts like Instagram or TikTok to direct traffic to your portfolio. To ensure your portfolio is easily found and navigated, use SEO-friendly language with relevant keywords like jazz pianist, film composer, or music producer. Keep the navigation simple and organized. Don't forget to include a call to action, encouraging visitors to listen to your music, book you for gigs, or contact you for collaborations. Regularly update your portfolio to reflect new work, performances, and collaborations. To get started, choose a platform that suits your music career. Upload your best recordings, compositions, and performances. Write a compelling bio, and make sure your contact info is easy to find. Once your portfolio is live, share it on social media and through emails to your industry contacts. Ask yourself what you want people to know about you when they visit your portfolio. If you're ready to showcase your work, start by uploading your best content to a platform of your choice. If you're unsure about your career direction, take the time to reflect on what you want your portfolio to highlight.